So you or someone you love has been charged with a crime or with a DWI. It's time to call a criminal lawyer. How do these lawyers determine what fee to charge you? Hi, I'm Stephen Goldstein with Goldstein and Handworker. We do criminal defense work in New York and New Jersey. And on today's video, I'm going to discuss with you how a criminal defense lawyer determines how much he's going to charge for his fee. Well, the first thing the criminal lawyer will do is, after they speak to the client, is try and figure out how serious the charge is. Common sense dictates that the more serious the case, the more of a fee the criminal lawyer is going to charge. For instance, if you're picked up for just loitering in the street or simple trespass, well, an experienced criminal lawyer will know that's the type of thing that could be resolved in one court appearance, 2 court appearances, not a lot of heavy lifting. Criminal lawyers charge 2 different ways. Some lawyers will charge what's called an hourly fee. What that means is the lawyer will keep records of his time, and he will charge you a fee. For instance, anywhere from $100 an hour, $200 an hour, even up to $1,000 an hour, depending on the experience of the lawyer and depending on the severity of the charges. Other lawyers might just charge you a flat fee, and that's more common in the simpler cases. For instance, in New Jersey, if you're going to appear at a local town court and you're charged with a driving with a suspended license, or you're charged with simple assault, well, most experienced municipal court lawyers know that those minor charges can be dealt with on 1 or 2 court appearances. And a lawyer will ask a client to pay normally in the range of anywhere from $500 to $1,500 for something like that. A DWI in New York, a crime; in New Jersey, not a crime, is a much more serious thing to be charged with because of all the penalties: loss of license, potential jail time. Some lawyers will charge a flat fee for that. Some lawyers will charge an hourly fee. That's up to you as an informed consumer to ask the lawyer and to see if he's negotiable. So if you're more comfortable with a flat fee and a lawyer quotes you an hourly, ask. Some lawyers will be fine to work with their clients. If you get to the more serious crimes where there's an indictment or an indictment possible, well, the fees go up from there. Most lawyers will now start charging an hourly fee because the work is going to be more intense. The number of court appearances are going to increase, and the amount of work that the lawyer is going to have to do is going to increase. And finally, unfortunately, for a criminal defendant, the stakes are a lot higher. But as an informed consumer, you should talk to a lawyer like you would talk to any other professional or any other seller of services. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask about price up front. Don't be afraid to ask about different methods of payment, whether it's a one lump sum retainer or it's a monthly payment to the lawyer, if that's what you can do. Most lawyers are willing to work with clients who they like and they trust. Of course, if you have any other questions, or if you or a loved one has been arrested or is concerned, you could give me a call at the phone numbers on the screen. We have offices in New York and New Jersey, or you could send me an email. Once again, do your best to be an informed consumer and ask questions, and hopefully you'll find the right criminal lawyer for your case. Thanks for watching.